Imagine this, Thomas. You wake up one day, check your bank account, and poof, $500 is just gone. No clue where it went. Coffee runs? That sneaky subscription you forgot about? Or maybe those late-night online shopping sprees? It's a gut punch, right?
Oh, wow, Ashley, that's a nightmare. I'd be freaking out. Like, did I buy a gold-plated coffee mug and forget about it?
Exactly. But here's the thing. That sinking feeling, it's avoidable. Welcome to Money Talks with Ashley and Thomas on @FinanceWithIam, where we're diving into the best budgeting apps of 2025 to make sure your money doesn't vanish into thin air.
That's right. Today we're breaking down 5 game-changing apps. YNAB, PocketGuard, Monarch Money, Simplifi by Quicken, and Honeydue. These tools are like having a financial coach in your pocket, helping you track every dollar and build the life you want.
So, grab your coffee, hopefully not a $500 one, and let's get started.
Introduction to budgeting apps. All right, Ashley, before we jump into the apps, let's talk about why budgeting apps are such a big deal in 2025. I mean, can't we just use a spreadsheet or, I don't know, a notebook?
Oh, Thomas, you sound like my dad with his trusty ledger. Spreadsheets are great, but they're a pain to update on your phone, and notebooks? Forget it. They don't send you alerts when you're about to overspend on pizza. Budgeting apps sync with your bank accounts, categorize your spending, and give you real-time insights. They're like a GPS for your money.
Love that. A GPS for your money. So these apps are all about helping you see where your cash is going and making sure it's working for you, not against you.
Exactly. And in 2025, these apps are smarter than ever. They use AI, connect to thousands of financial institutions, and some even let you collaborate with your partner or financial advisor. Today, we're focusing on 5 apps that stand out for different reasons, whether you're a solo budgeter, a couple, or someone planning for big goals like a house or retirement.
All right, let's dive in. First up, YNAB, aka You Need a Budget. This one's got a cult following, so what's the hype about?
YNAB. You need a budget. 5. YNAB is like the drill sergeant of budgeting apps. It's tough but effective. It's built on a zero-based budgeting system, which means you give every single dollar a job. No dollar gets to just sit there, chilling.
Every dollar has a job? Sounds like my boss. So, how does that work?
YNAB has 4 core rules to guide you. Rule 1, give every dollar a job. When you get paid, you assign every cent to a category like rent, groceries, or that dream vacation fund. Rule 2, embrace your true expenses. This means saving a little each month for big, irregular bills like car insurance or holiday gifts.
Oh, I like that. I always get hit with those surprise expenses like my car registration. It's like, oh, you need $200. Now?
Exactly. Rule 3 is roll with the punches. If you overspend in one category, you move money from another. It's flexible but keeps you accountable. And Rule 4, age your money. The goal is to use last month's income to pay this month's bills so you're not living paycheck to paycheck.
That sounds life-changing. I'm always scrambling when payday's a day late. So, what's YNAB like to use?
It's hands-on, which is great if you love being in control. You link your bank accounts, and YNAB auto-imports transactions, but you can manually tweak categories. It's got a bit of a learning curve. Some users say it takes a week or 2 to get the hang of it, but YNAB offers free workshops and videos to help. Plus, it's got a 34-day free trial, and college students get 12 months free with proof of enrollment.
Nice. Free stuff is my love language. But what's the cost after the trial?
It's $14.99 a month, or $109 a year, which is about $9 a month if you pay annually. A bit pricey, but YNAB claims the average user saves $600 in the first 2 months and $6,000 in a year. That's some serious cash.
Whoa, that's like finding a treasure chest. Any downsides?
Some folks say it's too hands-on, and the auto-categorization can be hit or miss, so you might need to fix transactions manually. Also, no free version after the trial, but if you're detail-oriented and want to rethink how you handle money, YNAB's a powerhouse.
Got it. YNAB's for the planners out there who want to be super intentional. All right, what's next? 2. PocketGuard.
Next up is PocketGuard, the app for people who want to know exactly how much they can spend without going broke. It's super user-friendly with a feature called In My Pocket that shows you what's left after bills and savings goals.
In my pocket? That's catchy. So it's like, hey Thomas, you've got $50 to blow on tacos this month?
Pretty much. PocketGuard syncs with your bank accounts and credit cards through secure platforms like Plaid and Finicity. It tracks your income, bills, and spending, then uses an algorithm to calculate what's safe to spend. It's great for preventing overspending because it sends alerts when you're nearing your budget limits.
I need that. I'm the king of just one more coffee. What else does it do?
It's got a debt payoff tool, which is a standout. You enter your debt details, like minimum payments and interest rates, and PocketGuard creates a payment plan that fits your budget. Plus, it has a bill negotiation service through BillShark, which can lower your cable or phone bills, though they take 40% of the savings.
That's cool, but 40%? Ouch. What's the cost for PocketGuard itself?
The basic version is free, which includes budgeting and bill tracking. The Plus plan is $12.99 a month, $74.99 a year, or a one-time lifetime license for $149.99, which is unique. No other app we're covering offers a lifetime option. The Plus plan adds unlimited budgets, custom categories, and subscription tracking.
A lifetime license? That's tempting. Any catches?
Some users say the free version feels limited because you can't customize categories or change transaction dates without upgrading. Also, the auto-categorization can be off, so you might need to do some cleanup. But for beginners or anyone who wants a simple hands-off app, PocketGuard's pie charts and clear interface make it a winner.
All right. PocketGuard's the chill vibe for budgeting. What's the next app?
3. Monarch Money.
Okay, Ashley, hit me with Monarch Money. I've heard it's a fan favorite, especially for ex-Mint users.
Oh, it's a gem. Monarch Money is like the Swiss Army knife of budgeting apps. It's got a customizable dashboard, so you can see your budget, net worth, investments, and recurring bills all in one place. It's perfect for people who want a big picture view of their finances.
Big picture sounds good. I'm always losing track of my 401k. What makes Monarch stand out?
It's flexibility. You can set up custom categories, track goals like saving for a house, and even collaborate with a partner or financial advisor. It syncs with over 11,000 financial institutions, and it recently added support for Apple Card and Apple Cash, which is huge for iPhone users. Plus, it's ad-free, which is refreshing.
No ads? That's a win. How's the setup?
It's pretty straightforward, but some users say the mobile app can be clunky for fine-tuning details, so the web version is better for setup. There's a 7-day free trial, then it's $14.99 a month, or $99.99 a year. Right now, there's a 50% off deal for the first year with code CNBC50, so it's a great time to try it.
Sweet deal. Any drawbacks?
No free plan, which is a bummer if you're on a tight budget. Also, some users report issues connecting certain banks, and it doesn't track your credit score. But if you want a clean, comprehensive app that's great for families or long-term planning, Monarch's a top pick.
Sounds like Monarch's the all-in-one champ. All right, what's next? 4. Simplifi by Quicken.
Simplifi by Quicken is up next, and it's like the cool tech-savvy cousin of Quicken's classic software. It's designed for people who want automation but still like some control.
Quicken's been around forever, right? What makes Simplifi special?
It's got a super clean interface. Think lots of charts and a scrolling dashboard that shows your net worth, spending, and upcoming bills. It connects to over 14,000 financial institutions, so you can track bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments. It also has a projected cash flow tool to estimate your balance over the next 30 days.
That's clutch. I'd love to know if I'm going to be broke before my next paycheck.
Right? Simplifi's spending plan adjusts in real time as you spend, and you can set custom savings goals like for a vacation or retirement. It supports multiple budgeting methods, zero-based, envelope, 50-30, 20, you name it. Plus, you can share your account with a partner or advisor.
That's awesome. What's the price tag?
It's $2.99 a month, billed annually, so about $36 a year. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, but no free trial. Right now, there's a 50% off promo for the first year, ending May 31st, 2025.
That's pretty affordable. Any cons?
Some users report connectivity issues with certain banks, and a few say the mobile app glitches, so you might need to use the web version for some tasks. Also, Simplifi's Ignore Spending feature, where you can hide transactions from your budget, has gotten some flack. It's like pretending you didn't buy that $200 jacket.
Guilty as charged. Okay, Simplifi sounds like a solid, user-friendly option. What's our last app? 5. Honeydue.
Last but not least, Honeydue, the app for couples who want to budget together without awkward money talks.
Oh, this one's for me and my girlfriend. We're always arguing about who paid for what. How does Honeydue help?
Honeydue lets you and your partner sync your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments, but you can choose what to share. So, you can keep your secret sneaker fund hidden for that surprise gift. It auto-categorizes expenses, but you can create custom categories and set monthly spending limits.
Secret sneaker fund? You're speaking my language. What else?
It's got a chat feature, so you can text your partner about bills right in the app, like, "Hey babe, the electric bill's due." It also sends reminders for upcoming payments and alerts you if you're close to overspending. And the best part? It's free, though you can tip the developers to support new features.
Free? That's my kind of app. Any catches?
Some users say the interface isn't as sleek as Monarch or Simplifi, and Honeydue has a D rating from the Better Business Bureau due to a few unanswered complaints. Also, it's really just for couples, so if you're budgeting solo, it's probably not your best bet. But for shared finances, it's a game changer.
Love that. No more you owe me $20 for pizza fights. Comparison and recommendations.
Alright, Thomas, let's wrap this up. We've covered YNAB, PocketGuard, Monarch Money, Simplifi, and Honeydue. If you had to pick one, which would it be?
Tough call. I'd go with PocketGuard for its simplicity and that in my pocket feature. I'm not trying to overthink my budget, I just want to know what I can spend. What about you?
I'm torn between Monarch and Simplifi. Monarch's customizable dashboard is great for big picture planning, but Simplifi's clean interface and low price, especially with that 50% off deal, make it super appealing.
Here's my take. If you're a planner who loves control, go with YNAB. If you want something easy and hands-off, PocketGuard's your pick. Monarch's great for families or long-term goals. Simplifi's perfect for beginners who want automation. And Honeydue? That's for couples who want to stay on the same page.
Nailed it. No matter your style, there's an app for you. Check out our YouTube channel, @FinanceWithAim, for more tips on mastering your money.
And let us know in the comments which app you're using, or if there's another one we should check out. Thanks for tuning in to Money Talks with Ashley and Thomas.
See you next time. Keep your money in check.
That was a blast, Ashley. I'm ready to download all these apps and become a budgeting pro.
One at a time, Thomas. Seriously, folks, these apps can transform how you handle your money. Start with a free trial, see what fits your vibe, and take control of your finances.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell on @FinanceWithAim for more money-saving tips.
Until next time, stay savvy and keep budgeting. Both.